And what is really new about what I'm going to talk about today, which is the role of stem cells in your body? The fact that they are your repair system. The way that it works, you all know that you have an immune system. You cut yourself, you get a bacteria that goes there. A macrophage, which is a type of immune cells, will eat that bacteria, will go to your lymph nodes, will show that bacteria to your lymph nodes. All the immune cells will look at it, will say, gee, we need to do something about this. They will get released from your lymph node, they'll go everywhere in your body, but they will specifically go to the area where you have that bacteria. The immune cells go directly to the bacteria and kill the bacteria. This is your immune system. When you have that cut now, if that cut is significant enough, that cut will trigger the release of compounds that will go to your bone marrow, will trigger the release of stem cells from your bone marrow. The number of stem cells, if the injury is significant enough, will increase 3 to 10-fold. These stem cells go everywhere in your body, but they will be attracted to the area where you have the cut. And when they circulate into the fine capillaries where that cut is, the stem cells will be, their migration will be triggered out of the blood into the tissue. Stem cells will migrate in that tissue, multiply, and all these cells will become cells of that tissue. This is how you have healed and repaired since the day you're born.